Stuck in traffic? Bring Theobroma Coffee Mix anytime, anywhere.
Sa trabahong ito, bawal ang kumurap. Hindi pwedeng masalisihan. Dapat palaging alerto. F2N Theobroma Superfood ang kasama ko sa araw-araw na trabaho. Umaga man o gabi, gising ang diwa ko. Malakas ang katawan ko. Maghapong mang nakatayo, F2N Theobroma Superfood, hindi ka igugupo.
Every day, your body works hard to heal, to renew, to keep you strong. But what if there was a way to help your cells repair, recharge, and rejuvenate from within?
Coming very soon, the next level of health and wellness, a breakthrough blend of natural ingredients, providing powerful nutrients your body will love.
Feel the energy, see the glow, experience a renewed you. More than just a drink, it's your partner in living healthier, looking younger, and staying at your best. Refresh, renew, rejuvenate. Catch the next wave of beauty, health, and wellness.
Night shift ka? Hindi pwedeng tutulog-tulog. Kailangan ng kapeng kaya kang ipaglaban sa puyat at pagod. Sa buong magdamag, Theobroma Black Coffee, hindi ka ilalaglag. May aramang mabango at ang sarap, swak na swak. Puyat at pagod, kayang-kaya sa Theobroma Black.
Hello Philippines and hello world.
tingin sa kanan, tingin sa kaliwa. Usok dito, usok doon. Ang init pa ng panahon. Ang katawan ko, maraming exposure sa polusyon at stress. Sa hirap ng buhay, hindi dapat magkasakit. Free radicals, Theobroma Superfood lang ang katapat mo. Sa isang sachet araw-araw, hindi bibigay ang katawan ko. Try nyo!
Acid indigestion, a feeling of discomfort or pain in the stomach caused by excess stomach acid. Take F2N digestive enzyme. Awaken the perfect moment with Theobroma coffee mix.
Heavenly Father, we trust that you will help us to complete the work that you have started. Guide us in performing every task faithfully for your glory. Shower our F2N family with your favor and love. May we be blessed with your wisdom in all our dealings and decisions. May your unfathomable and unconditional love see us through in accomplishing our mission. We proclaim victory in Jesus' name. Amen.
Start to dream, it will happen. Your successful future lies within your hands. We provide quality and simplicity. Start today for a brighter tomorrow. Be prepared to be up high and celebrate, come feel the vibe. We'd have to win for a better, healthy, successful family. Aim high, we'd have to win your company and family. Aim high, we'd have to win. We can make a better future for you. Believe and achieve, for we are a team. Your opportunities are priority. Aim high, we'd have to win your company and family. Aim high, we'd have to win. We can make a better future for you. Believe and achieve, for we are a team. Your opportunity is our priority.
Ayun no, good evening everyone. Good evening coaches. Your opportunity is our priority. So, this is an opportunity for everyone ulit. Kung paano natin malalaman, matututunan tungkol sa company, tungkol sa product natin, people behind, and even the marketing plan, no? Pero before that, gusto kong i-greet lahat na nasa Zoom. Mention ko kayo, each and everyone. So, wini-welcome po namin kayo. By the way, I'm Coach Mark Cortado, the co-host for tonight. No? So, start natin kay Coach Divine. From Megastakis from Cavite. Uy, Coach Alvin Rodriguez from Bataan po yan. Coach MJ from Quezon City. Coach Lakay from Pampanga. Coach Grace, NPA po to eh. Si Coach Grace, no permanent address. Minsan nasa Vigan, minsan nasa Paranaque. So, no, NPA yan, no permanent address. Si Coach Leoning, andyan din siya. Pumasok si Coach Reggie Duran. Nandito rin sa atin si Director Malu Cortado. Daming Cortado ngayon Si Coach Mirna Kiming. Sir Rodel Villaga from Pampanga din po siya. Isa sa mga guest ko for tonight. Si Coach Susan from Malabon. Si Coach Tess, I think nasa abroad to eh. Tama po ba, Coach Tess? Si Coach...
Ilocos, Coach.
Po?
Ilocos.
Coach Tess Ariston.
Yes po, Ilocos.
Okay. Nasa Ilocos po siya. Okay. Si Coach Will Grace, I think nasa Hong Kong to eh. No? Ayan. So, i-welcome namin kayong lahat or from
Vegan pala, vegan.
Yes. So, welcome po namin kayong lahat and I'm Coach Mark Cortado to present yung mga ibang part ng webinar for tonight. And then, so share ko lang po. Pa-share screen. Wala, bakit wala yung ayon? Okay. So let's talk about eto. To start with, so welcome namin kayo ulit sa F2N Marketing. Ito yung magiging topic natin for tonight. We have to talk about the company, mga legal documents, people behind, even the cacao. No? Kung anong mga informations about sa cacao. Our supplements, the beverages, personal care. Ano ba meron sa mga categories na ito, no? And the compensation plan. So syempre, malalaman din natin yung opportunity paano kumita. Okay? I have to talk about this, the company profile, na ang company ay na-discover since 2016 actually ito. So na-discover nito ng isang may-ari na si Sir Alvin na dumaan siya sa mahirap na pamumuhay ba. So nung na-discover niya ito, nakita niya na gusto niyang i-uplift yung life ng bawat tao na katulad niya na nagdadaan din sa pinakamahirap na part ng ating buhay. So ang F2N Marketing is nakilala na sa, hindi lang siya nakikilala, kilalang-kilala na siya sa industry. So since 2016 ba naman, kilala, hindi lang kilala, ginagaya pa nga produkto nito. So we have the quality health products, functional food, and merong way, may paraan kung paano kumita. Hindi katulad na sabi ko, December 2016, nakilala na si F2N na minamanage ito ng isang well-experienced na tao. Makikita natin later on kung sino yung mga people behind. So they have a 15 years, more than 15 years of experience when it comes to business. And today, hindi lang sa Pilipinas nakikilala si F2N Marketing. Kilalang-kilala din siya ng international when it comes to direct selling and network marketing. Yan, ito ang vision ng company, no? Gusto niya magkaroon ng healthy and productive, self-sufficient society and continuously nurtures a consumer. Environment that is informed and empowered to earn, while promoting health and wellness. Ang mission niya is to provide the quality of our products, effective and reliable naman. So, proven and tested na po yan. Provides avenues for entrepreneurial opportunities. Makikita po natin na bakit ang daming nagpro-promote ng Theobroma kasi merong way na kumikita sila doon. And higit sa lahat, na-experience natin how to communicate with others. No? So makikita natin yan. Yung responsibility natin, na-exercise natin yan. Ang core value niya ni F2N is honesty, integrity, justice, and loyalty. Not only to F2N members, but to all F2N, the entire company itself. So hindi lang ito sa applicable sa mga members, but in all business dealings, no? So hindi natin masasabing company kung wala tayong office, which is meron tayong office matatagpuan sa Quezon City, along Quezon Ave, malapit lang to sa Quezon Ave MRT station. Ayan. So etong nagandahan ko, no, na-amaze ako dito. In 2 years time na na-build si F2N Marketing, between 2018 and 2019, naitayo ang F2N, ang company, ang manufacturing company ni F2N Marketing, which is makikita natin ito sa San Jose del Monte. And I've been there, I think 5 times. Kumukuha ako ng product dyan during the pandemic. And then this is the people behind. Sino ba mga to? And this is si Ma'am Dang, na nagkaroon siya ng 15 years experience in printing and paper supply. We called her Ma'am Dang, ha. Pero ang pangalan niya si Ma'am Binilda Vinuya, our CEO and President, na graduated siya sa PUP or Polytechnic University of the Philippines under the Business Administration. Meron din siyang Bachelor of Science in Administration. Hindi lang yan, nagkaroon din siya ng masteral degree, International Academy of Management and Economics. Si Ma'am Annalisa Hambalos, she has 25 years of experience in local and international direct selling and networking companies. So meron din siyang TESDA accredited siya as a trainer under ng Methodology 2. Si Ma'am Mia, our network and development, Miss Mia Reyes, more than 20 years of experience in network industry. Franchising naman since 2010, and meron din siyang experience when it comes to buy and sell ng imported and local brands of mga vehicles. Naging part din siya ng mga non-life insurance industry. And Sir Jonathan, since 2019 na naging member ako ng F2N Marketing, nandyan na siya. He is very most dedicated young professional. He's the one who manage yung mga distributors and business portals natin. Ito yung mga website natin. So the only thorn among the rose, that is Sir Jonathan Ompakan, our IT manager. And yan, i-reveal na rin natin. Ano bang kinalaman ni Tony Gonzaga? Well, na-surprise din ako noong time na nabalitaan ko to. A very, very talented, integrity, wellness, and well-known na artista, or how could I say this, well-known personality. Yan. Naging business partner natin siya and also brand ambassadors. So, December 6, mark your calendar, makikilala natin siya doon sa office. Hindi natin masasabi na isang company kapag wala tayong permit and licenses. We have the legal documents, we have the DTI. Actually, hindi lang DTI na ito eh. I think since 2023, nagkaroon na tayo ng SEC. And because of napakaganda ng products natin, we receive also these awards. Ayan. So, hindi lang yan. Si Theobroma Superfood, yung product natin, makikita natin dito sa mga librong to. Kung gusto niyo po makita, yung actual na book nito, nasa office po tayo. Nasa office po. So, etong mga libro na to, ginagamit ng mga doctors. References po nila ito. So, let's talk about the cacao. Ano ba meron sa cacao? Yung isang puno na nakikita lang natin sa bundok, no, sa palipaligid, na hindi natin alam na ganun, meron palang magandang idudulot or ibibigay sa atin ang cacao. So, according to pharmacological studies, it has dopamine, phenylethylamine, serotonin, na nagpro-promote ito ng magandang moods natin. So, kung kung hindi maganda yung mood natin sa umaga, let's take Theobroma. Gagandang moods natin. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko sa cacao, it contains the highest antioxidant. Later on, makikita natin kung bakit naging highest antioxidant siya. Compare pa ito sa mga green tea, blueberries, sa red wine, and even wild berries. And in addition to that, according to pharmacological studies again, cacao contains polyphenol na nagpapaganda ng good heart natin. Pinapaganda niya yung health ng heart natin. It contains also the magnesium, increases heart strength and improves its condition effectively to pump blood, decrease the risk of blood clot. So, sa may mga problem sa heart, napakagandang cacao. It also contains epicatechin, reduce the risk of diabetes, heart disease, cancers, and strokes. More than 300 helpful compounds, napakadami na helpful compounds ang meron sa cacao. Some of these are phenylethylamine, theobromine, polyphenols, and flavonoids. Ano ba itong flavonoids? Makikita natin ang flavonoids, to give you a little information, flavonoids belongs to antioxidant. Later on, mababanggit ko kung ano ba yung antioxidant na yan. According to studies in US Department, under ng Agricultural Department to, since 2022, meron 90,500 na antioxidant meron sa cacao. So ano ba tong ORAC? Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity. Ito yung lab test para makwenta kung ilan yung antioxidant na meron sa raw cacao. So in every 100 grams contains 90,500. So yung Theobroma natin, i-divide lang natin yung 100 grams. Yung isang sachet dahil meron siyang 30 grams. So contains about 33,000 or 33,000 na antioxidant sa dry cacao. Okay? Isa pa to na-amaze ako na hindi lang pala according to sa pharmacological studies, even University of California in San Francisco, pinag-aaralan nila ang cacao. And they found out na every time na uminom tayo ng twice a day ng Theobroma, in 30 days, madodouble yung stem cell natin. And 47% of that, mabubus yung endothelial function. Hirap naman bigkasin nito. Ano po ba yung endothelial function? Kung nakikita nyo, ito parang mata, yung gilid nito, that is the endothelial function. Ito, actually tube to eh. So yan ay nagiging matibay. Nag-i-increase siya ng 47% para maging healthy. Therefore, yung blood vessels natin, hindi siya masisira. Kaya napakaganda para sa may mga, para makaiwas tayo sa mga stroke. Kasi usually ang stroke, pumuputok yung ugat eh. So kung tumitibay yung endothelial natin, makaiwas tayo sa mga stroke. And researchers found out that epicatechin, so napakahalaga talaga, improve our blood flow and aiding tissue repair, no? So kung isipin natin, no, ang kakao, pwede pa lang, dahil nadodouble yung stem cell natin, nare-repair ang mga tissues. So possible na yung mga damaged cells natin ay nare-repair. Ano ba nakaka-damage dito? It's because of yung mga toxins na nalalanghap natin, na nakakain natin. At itong toxins na to, nire-refer to as free radicals. Paano labanan ng free radicals? Dahil sa antioxidant na meron tayo, ito ang lumalaban sa free radicals. And dahil ang kakao ay napakataas sa antioxidants, there is a possibility na ma-repair ang mga tissues na meron tayo sa katawan. No? So kung from head to toe, punong-puno tayo ng tissues, punong-puno tayo ng cells. And that is one thing na na-regenerate dahil sa kakao. And it supports also, as per University of California, they found out also na napakaganda ng kakao sa ating cardiovascular health. Hindi lang yan, it more than a treat, but and potential health booster. So, meron tayong basis niyan. Ito yan, nakita ko in social media yan. Kaya maklaim natin na talagang pinag-aaralan nowadays ang tungkol sa kakao. So yeah, let's talk about the supplements na we have. We have in the bottle form and we have in sachet. Wala pong pinagkaiba ito. Parehas sila ng benefits, parehas sila ng content. Ang pinagkaiba lang nila is yung packaging. So nag-start tayo in a bottle form. And then way 2022, kung hindi ako nagkakamali, naging sachet tayo until to this moment. And hindi lang yan, parehas na meron tayong, nagsusupply tayo in bottle form and sachets. So kung makikita natin yung health benefits niya, improves digestive system, helps regulate cholesterol. Hindi ko na po masyadong discuss lahat ito kasi meron tayong webinar when it comes to product, specifically sa product. So ito, yan yung mga supplements natin. So basically, from head to toe ang trinatrabaho nito, katulad ng sabi ko kanina, it works sa ating blood vessels. So ang blood vessels natin, nagra-run yan from head to toe. Ayan, one thing, itong superfood na capsule form, and digestive enzyme. So, ang capsule form, meron siya ding benefit katulad ng powder form. And yet, itong capsule form natin, nire-recommend ito sa mga pang-maintenance purposes na lang. Paano yun? Yung mga walang health concerns. So, ang digestive enzyme naman, may mga problems sa GERD, mga acid reflux, may problem sa ulcers, and mga constipated, usually ito nire-recommend ko. As with superfood na capsule form, always nire-recommend ko yan with theobromazine. So theobromazine and partner yon, theobromazine and the capsule form. So yan, so basically it's a vitamin C with sodium ascorbate and zinc. We have also the Virtud. Kung ito yung may mga kalalakihan na may problem na, okay, to be exact, usually may mga problem sa ED. So napakaganda ng Virtud. And hindi lang yan, we have also these beverages. We have the black coffee, at the same time the coffee mix. Everything of the products na meron tayo, may mga health benefits siya. Ang Theobroma juice and the bites. Yung Theobroma bites, lahat po yan. Ang Theobroma bites, usually nire-recommend ko ito for instead na kumain tayo ng brownies na hindi ganun siya ka-healthy kasi full of sugars. Ito, usually ang nire-recommend ko. Napakasarap nito for desserts. Yan. We have also the Theobroma toothpaste and Theobroma bar soap. So lahat po ng products natin, it works from in and out. Kung meron tayong pan internal organs, meron din tayong for outer organs also. And ayan, meron tayong toothpaste and the Theobroma bar soap. Fellows, lahat po ng products natin made up of cacao except lang po yung digestive enzyme natin. So kung tatanungin niyo po ako since 2019 na naging member ako, yes, we are user ng Theobroma Superfood at hindi lang yon, lahat ng products natin. So ayan, I encourage each and every one of you na patuloy ang paggamit ng products kasi hindi nyo malalaman na magiging effective sa inyo kung hindi nyo gagamitin. And sa akin personally, my family, even my father is the user of Theobroma Superfood. So lahat ng products ginagamit namin. No? Ayan. So, dyan na nagtatapos ang aking part. Ayan. Tingnan natin kung may mga bagong pasok. So far, wala naman. No? So ngayon, I encourage each and every one of us. Question po muna sila coach. Okay, kung meron po kayong question. Any question po tungkol sa product? Sir Rodel, baka meron ka pang tanong. Opportunity nyo na to, magtanong. Okay po ba ang audio ko? Clear po ba? Type 1 nga po. Type 1 please kung okay yung audio natin. Type 1. Ayan. Okay. Nagre-reply. So any question po? Gusto ko lang share no, kung paano ko ginagawa si Theobroma. So as I said, from 2019 na naging member po kami dito, we found out the products very effective. Kung ano yung mission and vision ng company, nakita ko mismo. Kaya hindi ko pwedeng iwanan ang F2N marketing because of the testimony na meron kami sa product. So, yung coffee, kung sino man ang hindi nagko-coffee sa inyo because of caffeine content na sa tingin nyo is masyadong mataas, nagpapalpitate kayo sa mga coffees, luckily, ang coffee natin is only 6%. Napakaliit ng caffeine content niya. So hindi ako nagko-coffee before pero nagko-coffee ako because of napakaliit naman yung caffeine content. May tanong Sir Rodel, pwede po ako kahit 2 weeks lang po kuya, then proceed ako sa capsule. Sige po. Observe po muna natin in 2 weeks time, observe natin yung pag-take nyo ng Theobroma Superfood. Lagi ko pong pinapayo sa mga client ko na it depends kasi sa DNA ng bawat tao. We have different DNA. Hindi natin alam kung gaano kabilis mag-response yung body natin sa Theobroma Superfood. So, ganun ka lagi kong ina-advise sa mga client ko na we have to, pero sa loob ng 14 days, I can say na magkakaroon kayo ng improvement dyan. Kasi since 2019 na nagbenta ako ng Theobroma Superfood, I always advise them na sa loob ng 2 weeks makakaramdam kayo ng pagbabago. Ayan. So, okay. So ngayon po, habang sino po gusto mag-share? Okay. Ayan, sige. I-introduce ko na ngayon ang di-discuss natin when it comes to, meron ba ako nakalagtaan doon sa shares ko? I think na-discuss ko naman lahat. Now, syempre, dahil maganda yung produkto, hindi nakakahiyang ibenta. Hindi nakakahiyang i-alok. Proven and tested na natin eh. All in na daw ang F2N. Yes, exactly coach. all in yan. Wala na akong hahanapin eh. At my age as 47 years old, happy to say na wala akong maintenance, synthetic drugs. No? Ganyan kaganda, only Theobroma Superfood. Iyan ang naging sandalan namin since kahit during the pandemic time. Ayan. So ngayon, introduce ko na kung meron tayong magandang produkto. Let's talk about the business side naman. Tingnan natin kung gaano siya kaganda at paano tayo pwedeng kumita sa F2N marketing dahil isa 'yon sa mga vision and mission ng F2N marketing na hindi lang tayo maging user pero gusto niya mag-earn din tayo. So I would like to introduce the only one na mag-share tungkol sa business opportunity natin. Isa na ring director ng F2N marketing. He is a mobile stockist from Cavite. Ayan, I would like to introduce Coach Chris Abanez. Take it away, Coach.
Yun, maraming salamat, Coach Mark.